Did you know the average Singaporean sleeps only 6.5 hours a night? That's not really healthy at all. One possible culprit for your sleep troubles is your mattress. Over time, a mattress collects sweat, dirt, germs, mold, and allergens. This makes the bed less comfortable to sleep on in the long run. Singapore's humid climate can make these problems even worse for your mattress. So how do we clean a mattress effectively? The first step is to have it vacuumed. Vacuuming removes plenty of the dust and dirt on the surface. To vacuum, strip the bedding and air out the mattress for about 15 minutes. Then, let the vacuum suck away the filth, especially on the seams and corners. For best results, use an upholstery attachment. You'll want to do this. After vacuuming, you'll need to steam clean the mattress. The high heat from the steam can kill about 99% of the dust mites, allergens, and germs hiding deep in the mattress. Very effective indeed. It's a crucial step especially for family members with allergies and respiratory problems. However, not everyone has a steam cleaner at home. You might want to hire a professional to do it for you around every 3 to 6 months. You should also have your bed sheets washed weekly, and deal with any stains ASAP. That's all there is to it if you want a clean and comfortable bed. But for best results, don't hesitate to book a house cleaning service like KungFu Helper. We have trained cleaners who have the skills and tools to tackle your mattress's deep-seated dirt. With their help, you can finally sleep well for longer than 6 hours. So, ready for a good night's rest? Just give us a call or a message today and let's get that mattress cleaned in no time.